ito guys, andito na ako sa labas ng bahay. Ayan yung bahay. Nag-aantay na lang ako sa ng taxi. Ayan. So, ang ipapakita ko ay ito. Yung mga bagahe kong dadalhin. Ayan. So, ayan muna ang aking i-share sa ngayon. Video a little bit. Yeah. Even if it is dark. Here guys, we are going to the airport now, and this is the scene. It's still dark because it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. So okay, hanggang dito muna guys. I'm on my way to the airport.
So we're gonna get at the airport by 5:38.
Oh yeah.
45 minutes.
Oh okay.
That's a good thing, but there's no traffic. You
Yeah.
want me to close the window? Are you fine?
It's okay. It's okay.
You want open?
Yeah, just leave it open. And we are here at 287 West, going to Mario Como, Governor Mario Como Bridge, because my flight will be in Newark Airport going to New Jersey. Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa George Washington Bridge. Dumadaan. So ito ngayon ang daloy ng traffic sa George Washington Bridge. It's not the traffic because it's too early yet. It's the connection from New York to New Jersey. Ayan. Ito medyo lumiliwanag na kasi maraming lights. Ayan. Pero pagdating dito medyo unti-unti na rin napupuno ang kalsada sa mga sasakyan. So ito. Oh my God. Driver kong ito ay babae. Siya ang driver ko sa taxi. Ayan muna ang i-share ko at this moment, and then susunod na naman. This is it. Unti-unti na lumiliwanag sa labas. Nandito pa ako sa taxi. So yan, ito ang magiging scene. So we are approaching at Terminal B. Yeah. So we are approaching at Terminal B.
Oh yeah,
Alaska Airlines. Yes. So we are approaching to Terminal B, where I have to get the Alaska Airlines bound to LA LAX Terminal. So this is the terminal, and we are just looking for the Terminal B, where I have to get off. is the Alaska. It didn't say in the ticket if it is what level it is.
Let's go to level 2.
Yeah, we'll try.
Because other journeys have to go up,
Okay,
by the elevator probably.
we'll see. Economy is level 2. Yeah, economy is level 2.
Oh, okay. Alaska. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
over here.
flying Alaska
Diba?
Frontier. You see?
Alaska. Ah, okay, Alaska. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. So we are here
I
now.
think I can squeeze in this.
Okay. Here, guys.